How to fix Jisulife Mini Fan E3 error if it's the fan not working, how you can simply solve this error and how you can fix this. For this, you just need to do some things here. Let's start this. Step 1 is simply turn off the fan. Power off the fan completely using the power button. If it's unresponsive, hold the power button for 5 or 10 seconds until it's shut down. Step 2 is disconnect the power. Unplug it from the charger if it's charging. If it has a removable battery, take the battery out if possible and wait for 30 or 60 seconds to full power cycle. Check for obstructions. Look inside the fan grill to see if there is any dust, hair or debris caught in the blades. Carefully remove anything that's blocking the blades from spinning freely. Step 4 is manually spin the blades. Try to gently rotate the blades with your hand. When the fan is off, to check resistance. If they don't spin smoothly, it might be a motor alignment issue. You can get fixed on any hardware shop. Step 5 is restart the fan. Reconnect the battery or the charger. Turn the fan back on. If the E3 error clears, it's reset and ready to use. Still showing E3 error, you can try another things, that is reset button. Step 6 is if you have the reset button on your fan. Some just Jisulife fans have a tiny reset pin hole, usually near the charging port. You can simply tap it for 3 or 5 seconds, then it will be restarted. Step 7 is if you not solve this matter after doing all this, you can simply connect with the customer care service of Jisulife support. For this, here's the website and support email. You can simply copy it from the video and describe your issue to it. Thanks so much for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel.